welcome to this video. In this video, you study about Reformsky reaction. The outline of this video is the firstly we discuss the statement of Reformsky reaction. Then we see the general reaction of Reformsky reaction. Then we study the mechanism and synthetic applications of Reformsky reaction. Let us see the statement. The preparation of beta hydroxy ester by reacting an aldehyde or ketone with alpha bromoester in presence of metallic zinc in dry ether or benzene is called as the Reformsky reaction. Okay. In a Reformsky reaction, the substrate is the carbonyl compound. It may be the aldehyde or ketone. The another reactant is the alpha bromoester. The catalyst of this reaction is the reagent is the metallic zinc and solvent used is the dry ether or benzene. The product of this Reformsky reaction is the beta hydroxy ester. The aldehyde or ketone, it may be the aliphatic, aromatic or heterocyclic and may be contain various functional group which remains unaffected during the Reformsky reaction. The generally used solvent in the Reformsky reaction are ether, benzene, toluene, THF, etc. Zinc may be activated by adding traces of iodine, mercury bromide or copper powder. Let us see the general reaction. A mixture of carbonyl compound that is aldehyde or ketone, alpha bromoester and zinc in dry ether. It is carefully heated under reflux. When zinc dissolves, then this mixture is heated with ice cold sulfuric acid. Then ether layer are separated. On distillation of ether, the product beta hydroxy ester is obtained. We can use the aldehydes or ketone on treatment with the alpha bromoester. Ester, it is the carbonyl group, it is attached to the oxygen, then this functional group is the ester. It is the alpha bromoester means this carbon, it is the alpha carbon which is attached to the bromine atom, so this is the alpha bromoester. The reagent is the zinc in ether. The product of this reaction is the beta hydroxy ester. This is the ester functional group. This is the alpha carbon. This is the beta carbon. On beta carbon there is the hydroxy groups. So this is the beta hydroxy ester. In the absence of benzene, frequently this beta hydroxy ester undergoes the dehydration. Dehydration occurs by elimination of hydrogen from alpha carbon and hydroxy groups from the beta carbon. There is the formation of alpha beta unsaturated ester followed by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis occurs on the ester linkage. This bond broken and hydroxy groups attached towards the carbonyl group and formation of the acid COOH group. Okay, beta hydroxy ester, it on dehydration followed by hydrolysis. Finally, we get the alpha beta unsaturated acid. Let us see the mechanism. Reformsky reaction, it is completed in two steps. In the step 1, metallic zinc add towards the alpha bromoester to form highly polar organic zinc bromide. It is the adduct. This carbanion of adduct is stabilized by the resonance. In the second step, the nucleophilic addition of carbanion to the carbonyl carbon of aldehyde, it leads to the formation of this compound. The carbanion, which is formed by the alpha bromoester, added to the carbonyl carbon of aldehydes and ketone. There is the formation of new bond between the carbonyl carbon and this bond is formed, and breaking of the carbon oxygen double bond, it leads to the negative charge on the oxygen, formation of this product which on hydrolysis, it leads to the formation of the beta hydroxy ester. Hydrolysis take place on this side, hydrogen H plus added towards the oxygen, it leads to the formation of the hydroxy groups, and OH minus added towards the zinc, it leads to the elimination of the ZnOH Br. Let us see the synthetic applications. This Reformsky reaction, it is used in the synthesis of beta ketoester methyl nitride on treatment with alpha bromoester in presence of the zinc in ether, followed by hydrolysis we get the ketoester. It is the beta ketoester. This is the carbonyl group, this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. On beta carbon there is the ketone group, so it is the beta ketoester. The second synthetic applications is the, it is used in the synthesis of various alpha beta unsaturated ester. Benzaldehyde on treatment with the alpha bromoester in presence of the zinc in ether, followed by hydrolysis. We get this alpha beta unsaturated ester. Thank you.